Hey Stitchy Muses and welcome back to Sewing Vision. I am Vivian and today we are making the Grace bra. A wire-free double-layered bralette that works beautifully for a wide range of bust sizes, including the larger cups. This pattern is available in sizes extra small to 5 extra large with cup sizes from A to H, so there is truly a size for everyone. I also made few DIY kits for this bra, so grab your pattern, grab your materials and let's jump right in. For this style you will need a half meter of the main fabric full width, but honestly it really depends on the print. If you are not working with one direction print, you can save quite a bit material. But no one is surprised by my colorful print at this point, I guess. So today I am working with this beautiful watermelon fabric. Then a half meter of lining fabric, 1 meter of strap elastic, 1 meter of underbust elastic, and 2 sliders plus 2 hooks or rings. If you use hooks, you can cross your straps at the back. So I am using the hooks today. Oh, I almost forgot. 1 classic bra closure and 2.5 meters of this narrow elastic. We will add it to the seams for better shape and fit. We can start with cutting the main pieces. Wait, is this one direction print or can I use it in both ways? If I cut one piece like this and the second one here, I think it really doesn't matter at all. Because the watermelons are like in both directions, so I think it will be okay. Yeah, we can try. Yeah, we can try it and I will save the material a bit so I can make more DIY kits for you guys. So I will place the first one right here. Oh, I forgot to do one more thing. I am using 2 centimeters strap elastic instead of 2.5. So I need to adjust the top edge of the bra right here and I don't have my pen. Okay, I'll take this one. And I just need to remove like 2.5 millimeters from each side. I almost forgot that. Oh, I can cut it. Yeah, perfect. Now we can cut the pieces. So now I will cut each piece in different direction and we will see if it was a good idea or not. Oh. Okay, so I will place the second one. Maybe I can match it somehow right here. This will be totally gorgeous or totally bad. But I want to try it, so yeah, I will try it like this. And I'm really curious if this will work. And then we need to cut 2 pieces also from the lining fabric. Now pin and sew the darts first, right sides together. Main and also the lining pieces. And sew them using a zigzag stitch or your serger. Then place your main pieces right sides together and pin and sew the center front seam. Main with main, lining with lining. Now place your lining layer right side up and main layer right side down on it, so they are facing the right sides together, and pin the neckline and also both underarms. And you can add the elastic to the seams at this point. I will use a longer stitch because of the elastic. I'm not stretching the elastic now. I think I have to change the needles. So, as you can see, I have to change the needles. So I have to sew this one once more. I will change the needles and I am back in a second. Alright, new needles in, and I can stitch the neckline once more. Still not stretching the elastic. and the second underarm. Now take your elastic straps and slide them through the fabric straps. Don't forget to place your straps right side, facing the right side of your bra or the main fabric. Now you can trim the threads from here, or the elastic. And we can move to regular sewing machine and stitch them with a straight stitch. I will give you a little pro tip right here. If you fold the seam allowances to the wrong side and stitch them down this way, you will get a really nice, clean and professional look from the right side. So I am using just a straight stitch and I'm going like 2 or 3 times forward and backward. And do the same also with the second strap. Now we can turn the whole bra to the right side. And pin or baste the bottom edge. You can also use a long straight stitch. And that's exactly what I'm going to use. I just need to pin it first. Oh, I forgot to check the watermelon in the center front. It's not that bad. So I will stitch it with long straight stitch now. Now take your underbust elastic, mark its center and align it with the center front of your bra. Then we can baste the bra with the elastic together. Don't forget to check the closure. Yeah, perfect. And baste the elastic with the bra together. Then take your paper pattern and mark the strap loops placement. And baste your strap loops onto this mark. And also on the other side. And stitch the underbust using zigzag, 3-step zigzag or a cover stitch machine. I'm using the cover stitch machine today. Then remove the basting stitches. And baste and sew your closure. Then thread and sew the straps. And secure the strap loops. And our Gracie bra is done and ready to wear. Let's try her on.